Morning guys, it's Dan from Xservice here. I thought I'd kick off the day just doing a quick video which demonstrates a brute force attack on WinRM against Server 2019. I'm just going to show the red team perspective on this one while I still figure out the way to record, format the videos, and I'm still producing content. So let's log in to our Kali attacker machine. We're going to launch MSF console. For the purpose of this video, we're going to assume that we already know our target. We're going to use the search command to search for WinRM to find Windows Remote Management modules. To start with, we're just going to determine the authentication mechanism. So we're going to use the aux scanner WinRM auth methods module. We're going to look at show options. Here we can see we need to set the domain and we need to set our hosts. So the domain's xlab. Our hosts, we're going to put in the IP address of our target. And we're going to type run. Here we go, we can see that negotiate and Kerberos are supported. We're going to go back to our modules. Now, we aren't able to execute the attacks we would like to from MSF because there's a problem with OpenSSL and Server 2016 onwards, to my knowledge. We can, however, use the WinRM login module, which we're going to do to try and get ourselves access to this box using a brute force attack. So we're going to show options. We're going to set a domain again. We're going to set a user file. Now I've already created a word list for 2 accounts that I know are active in the domain, and I've already set up a password file with a password which I know will work against one of these accounts. So let's load user.txt. Set the password file. Again, I created the text file. Let's just check our options. So we need to set our hosts. Then we're going to run the attack. And you can see here that there's a number of unsuccessful attempts against Adam Jensen and the administrator account, but eventually we get a successful logon against xlab administrator with a password of PA55W0RD1, super secure. Don't use that anywhere other than in labs and training videos. Now we've got this module. I just want to demonstrate that we, credentials. I'm just going to demonstrate that we can't use the command module. So if we do a search, you're going to see here the module name. We're going to use winrm_command. We're going to look at its options. We're going to set the domain. We're going to set the username. We're going to set the password. And we're going to execute the attack. Oh. Make sure our host is set. And we're going to execute the attack. So here we get an HTTP 500 error. This is an issue with the SSL configuration in Metasploit when attacking this target. what I've got here is I've got a Ruby extension. We've installed a few gems, and we will now be able to WinRM using these libraries. So we're going to use the WinRM shell credentials. I'm just going to show everyone what's in that. You can see here that we've specified an endpoint with HTTP colon / / 192.168.2.7 on port 5985 against WS-Man service. We're using administrator and our super secret password. We're going to do winrm underscore shell underscore threads at Ruby, launch that attack, and you can see that we have regained a remote session to DC2 with the administrator account. We are now free to execute PowerShell commandlets, and we can do stuff like who am I to see the user, and again hostname to prove it's the right target. And there we have it. So in a very few minutes, we've taken an out-of-the-box Server 2019 domain join box, and we've attacked it using a brute force attack, and we've demonstrated that we can get a remote shell from a Kali box. Cool. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to continue producing the content, both from a video point of view and the documented guidance. I'm probably going to release in sections because as I started developing this, the project is growing considerably. So I think I'll release this as a series of blog posts. Cool. Thanks, guys. Bye.